Welcome to the online edition of Nightwatch for December 2024. My name is Bill, coming to you from the Sudekum Planetarium here at Adventure Science Center in Nashville. And as always, we'll start off with the moon phases this month. We find the moon will be new on the 1st and the 30th. We have 2 new moons this month. First quarter moon will be on the 8th, full moon on the 15th, and last quarter on the 22nd. Also this month, the winter solstice, the official beginning of winter here in the northern hemisphere, occurs on December 21st at 3:19 a.m. Central Standard Time. Looking at planets, Venus blazes away in the southwest at sunset. You can't miss it. It is the brightest object in that part of the sky in evening twilight. The beautiful thin crescent moon will be passing below the planet Venus on December 4th. Saturn is higher in the southern sky in the evening and appears as a yellowish or cream-colored star-like object in that part of the sky. The moon will be near the planet Saturn on the 7th and 8th of December. Jupiter is rising in the east-northeast at sunset, and the nearly full moon will be passing to the left of Jupiter as it rises on the 14th. Mars rises around 8 p.m. in the east-northeast and appears as a reddish star-like object in that part of the sky. The gibbous moon will be passing above the planet Mars as it rises on the 17th. Also this month, we have the annual Geminid Meteor Shower, which is considered by many to be the best annual meteor shower of the year. It peaks on the early mornings of Friday, December 13th, and again also on the morning of the 14th. But is visible a few days before and after that time. This meteor shower originates in the constellation Gemini, which rises in the later evening and is best seen between about 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. local time. However, this year, the nearly full moon will cause the sky to be very bright, and combined with city light pollution, the meteor shower will not be as spectacular as it usually is, with an expected rate of about 30 to 60 meteors per hour under light-polluted and moonlit skies. But under clear dark sky conditions, this meteor shower can produce well over 100 meteors per hour, sometimes as high as 200. But again, it peaks on the late evenings and early mornings of the 12th into the 13th, and again the 13th into the morning of the 14th. Looking at constellations, in our evening sky at about 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, the Great Square of Pegasus of the autumn season is still high in the western part of the sky. Look for the 4 stars that form the square shape known as the Great Square of Pegasus. Taurus is high in the eastern sky, with Jupiter in the horn region of the constellation Taurus. Notice the V-shaped group of stars that marks the head of Taurus the bull, and the Pleiades on the shoulder, a beautiful star cluster, which in the sky you might only see 4 or 5 stars under light-polluted skies, but if you look with a pair of binoculars or a telescope, you will see hundreds of stars in this one little spot in the sky. The constellation Orion, the mighty hunter of the winter season, is now just rising in the southeast. Look for the famous 3 belt stars in a row rising vertically in that area of the sky. Orion will be with us through the rest of the winter season. And looking toward the north, we find the beautiful constellation of Cassiopeia the Queen. It is high in the northern sky. Look for the 5 stars that form a zigzag shape, which is usually referred to as the W of Cassiopeia, but this time of year, being up high in the sky over the north, it appears more like the letter M. Now don't forget, if you can't remember everything I've mentioned in this online edition of Nightwatch, you can grab a copy of our online star chart at adventuresci.org/starcharts. And don't forget to visit us here at the Sudekum Planetarium at Adventure Science Center for our regular theater show in the planetarium of Nightwatch. Also, during December, we have Polaris, the space submarine, and the mystery of the polar night. And also To Worlds Beyond, Journey Through the Solar System. Also in December, we have our laser shows, including Laser Holidays on December 16th, 19th, 20th, 22nd, and 23rd, with an evening show on Saturday the 21st. Also on December 21st, we present Laser Taylor Swift and Laser Beyonce. Don't forget to come visit us here at the Sudekum Planetarium at Adventure Science Center, where our mission is to open minds to the wonders of science and technology, fostering a better understanding of ourselves and the world around us. We hope you can join us here at the Sudekum Planetarium and the Science Center, and until next year, I wish you clear skies.